So we got more rain, but this time with wind. And a different color sky, no doubt. Yeah, this is wet. This is some strong weather right here. Well, I'm feeling my stomach hurt right now. And we got some thunder. Nice sky outside, but yeah, gotta get wet, getting wet here. Look, I'm indigestion right now. God damn. Yep. Nice out. Still raining outside, huh? Alright. More wind. Yeah, more rain, more wind, more thunder. Alright. Later, guys. Thanks for watching. Hashtag I'm a creator. Peace out, dudes.